In this video, we will cover: what is metformin? In what forms is metformin available? And why do doctors prescribe it? If you are just joining us and want to see similar, well-researched and helpful videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, let's begin. Metformin is an anti-diabetic drug available under brand names such as Glucophage, Glumetza, and Riomet. It belongs to a class of drugs known as biguanides and is commonly given to lower blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes, whose pancreas still produces some insulin. Some doctors also prescribe it to stop the progression of prediabetes to type 2 diabetes. Metformin can also be given to women with polycystic ovary syndrome, also known as PCOS. Some studies have shown that metformin may help in treating female infertility. Organizations such as the American Diabetes Association, Diabetes Canada, and American College of Physicians recommend that metformin should generally be the first choice of treatment of type 2 diabetes. It is no wonder that metformin is the most widely used oral diabetes medication. In the next video, we will talk about: how does metformin work and when to take metformin? Would you like to see similar videos on medicine for you and your loved ones? Just add a comment or send us an email at youtube@wethegurus.com, and we will let you know as soon as we have the answers ready for you.